So what is this, Wendy? It came in the mail today. Do I have to guess what it is?
Yeah, it was like a little leopard box.
And you ordered this when?
Oh gosh. I ordered this about a month before your birthday. So your birthday's March 29.
And where did it come from?
Somas, California.
So I have to guess what this is?
And it took this long to get here, and it is now what?
It's
April?
a little candy. It's a fresh little candy.
A fresh candy!
It is. It is a...
The things come in small packages.
It's a trinket.
It's a trinket.
It's a
little trinket.
Puzzle piece.
Yeah.
It's a ring.
A ring.
Am I close?
Oh.
It's jewelry.
Yeah.
It's is it jewelry?
Yeah.
Is it necklace?
Yeah. It's got to be.
Is it a
right?
necklace?
It's like a little box.
Is it a necklace?
Okay, open it up.
Is it a? Okay, I'm gonna open it up. The leopard skin box.
He doesn't know what it is.
Oh, that's cool. That's sweet. It is a. It looks like a tiki.
It is.
Oh wow.
It is.
That's
it's a tiki.
Cool.
You gotta put it in your hand so you can see it.
It's very delicate. It is a tiki.
It's hard to.
No, that's cool.
Probably blurry.
No, no, that's good.
I don't think it's.
No, it's hard with the camera. The Canon's not the greatest, but it's a tiki. It's a.
Yeah.
Is it pewter?
It's silver.
Oh, it's a silver tiki.
Yeah.
Wow, that's sweet. Thanks, that's awesome.
It was made by Billy Reb.
Because you know I like tikis. That's a pretty cool tiki, so I guess I can put it...
What I did was I ended up getting Joe this palm tree one. I don't know if you can see it. Cause
yeah.
In Victoria the day of his birthday, because the tiki didn't arrive.
That's pretty nice.
And I'm surprised he didn't send it on a...
They don't come with chains.
I mean, you could put two, but we'll get you one.
Yeah, they don't come with chains. When you buy a pendant, it's just a pendant.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's nice.
So he makes these.
That's sweet.
He's like a custom.
That is cool.
A jeweler.
So anyway, thank you. That is awesome.
Welcome.
That is a very cool tiki. And yeah, that's an awesome belated birthday gift. I like it.
Yeah.
You don't have to get me anything, but I appreciate it.
Joe carves tikis, and he loves tikis.
Out of wood, not silver.
And this is the guy.
That's sweet. Save his card.
Billy Reb.
You put that up on your windowsill. When you
Okay.
put that up. Thanks. That's an awesome tiki. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Aloha.
Aloha. Love you.